public health disaster now declared in the state of Texas for the first time since 1901. As of right now, 143 people in 27 different counties have been diagnosed with COVID-19. Here in North Texas, let's zero in locally. Dallas County tonight reporting 20 new cases. That brings the total to 55. One of those, a Dallas police officer who does work out of the Northeast Patrol Division. We're told the officer is now isolated tonight, and 3 co-workers are also currently quarantined. All of that out of an abundance of caution. Today on the west side, Tarrant County, they confirmed 10 new cases. That's a total of 19 for Tarrant. And those cases are in Arlington, Colleyville, Fort Worth, North Richland Hills, Mansfield, and Watauga. Collin County, you see on the graphic, they've got 3 new cases, brings the total there to 16 in all. And Denton County is reporting 4 new cases, 2 of those in Louisville, 1 in Frisco, and 1 in Denton proper. And today, Governor Greg Abbott announced statewide restrictions. Jack Fink is joining us in Frisco with a closer look at what we kind of felt was coming, and finally the announcement did come today.
That's right, Doug. And here at the Community Grill, the owner wonders how he and other small restaurants are going to survive this. After initially allowing individual cities and counties to set their own restrictions, Governor Abbott said today statewide restrictions are needed to prevent the spread of COVID-19. And that's because the number of cases statewide keeps rising, from 39 last Friday to 83 yesterday to 143 today. 4 people have died.
I know that I'm at risk. It's devastating. It's devastating.
Chef John Kinch says 90% of his business at his Community Grill restaurant in Frisco is dine-in, just 10% takeout. So he's very worried now about his 30 employees who mostly rely on tips, now that Governor Greg Abbott has issued a statewide order not allowing any dining in at restaurants or bars. Only takeout and delivery is allowed starting midnight tomorrow through midnight April 3rd.
I think you're going to see a lot of the restaurants go out of the business, and I'm going to do everything I can not to.
Also under the governor's order, no social gatherings of groups larger than 10 will be allowed. All gyms and massage studios will have to close, along with all schools, and no visitors will be allowed at nursing homes, retirement centers, and long-term care facilities unless they're providing critical care. Governor Abbott issued a warning for those who ignore the order.
The state now has quarantine authority. We don't want to exercise that authority right now. If Texans are irresponsible in their behavior, though, there are more tools where we can be more aggressive only if needed.
Back in Frisco, Mayor Jeff Cheney took some heat from residents who criticized him for allowing restaurants to operate without restriction.
I certainly welcome any criticism from any of our residents.
He praised Governor Abbott's statewide order.
I think what would happen when local government entities are making different decisions, then people start to panic.
And while the governor's order ends midnight April 3rd, he said today he may have to extend it. He emphasized this is not a shelter-in-place order. Live in Frisco, Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.